Hello and welcome to the WhatsNext Global Channel. My name is Patrick. I've been trading crypto for over 4 years now, and I make daily crypto market outlooks in 5 minutes. So we'll only take you 5 minutes to stay up to date with the developments in the crypto market. And without further ado, let's dive straight into the charts. So you will see that I have a specific pattern marked up on the chart right now. So I like to prepare based on previous data. I like to prepare for specific scenarios happening in the Bitcoin price action. And of course, Bitcoin often tends to lead the markets. I try to trade only based on technicals. And the reason why I only trade on technicals is because that is where my advantage is. So what can we see on Bitcoin right now? Now, this is the RSI indicator. I've made it a little bit larger here so you can see what's happening. So what we can see right now is an RSI divergence after an impulsive move towards the upside, combined with this pattern over here. Now, why is this pattern important? Because you have a high being created after an impulsive move towards the upside, and then the high gets taken out. Now, after that high gets taken out, longs can get trapped in this position and fuel the move towards the downside. Probably you've had this before where someone, or maybe yourself, has traded with leverage, and then whenever they trade with leverage on a breakout, then when we start going towards the downside, that can cause liquidations, just like we saw right over here. Now, these two scenarios look alike a lot, and we can also see it happen inverse after, for example, here, where we see the same pattern happening, and then we see a short squeeze towards the upside. So this is a move that I really enjoy using within the crypto markets. Now, does this mean that right now we will face a larger correction? That is a very probable scenario. However, I like to trade based on probabilities, and probability dictates that after an impulsive move towards the upside, there's always a potential for a swift pullback and then a continuation towards the upside. Now, what I want to see is I want to see 41,633 being hit. That is this low over here. And after we break this low, liquidity can be gained in this area of consolidation, and then we can return our move towards the upside. That is a high probability setup that I'm watching, and I'm already starting to get positioned in order to catch a potential move towards the upside. So that is what I really want to do. I'm currently around 55% exposed to crypto, and I'm looking to get around 65% exposure to crypto and 35% exposure to cash. Now, once we start to break below 41,116, then that means we will probably start to mirror this move over here until we hit the next area of consolidation, which is 37,881. So this is a very risky setup, which is why I've set up 2 alerts. And once we start breaking the low over here, I will sell my position on the earliest lower high that gets created, and then I will see if I want to scale in back at 37,881. Now, this is me showing a scenario that is very likely to happen on Bitcoin. And this is me showing my strategy. So you know that I do not watch fundamental developments. I just try to trade based on these technicals over here. I did not manage to catch this move towards the upside. So I am conservative in scaling back in. And that is my exact strategy. So at 41,633, I want to scale back a little bit into the markets. If we start breaking below 41,116, that's when I will really start to be careful and start to move back to a 50-50 exposure and probably start to scale in further at 37,880. All right. Now, because I am giving these exact price targets, you can keep me accountable for any developments in the markets. And if you do find that I am right more often than I am wrong, or perhaps you just like these kind of videos, do subscribe to this channel because we make daily market outlooks in 5 minutes and keep you up to date with small strategic tips for the crypto market. All right, everyone, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.